500,000 lines of source code leaked by accident. Anthropic just shipped their biggest secret to every developer on Earth. A single npm package update contained a source map, the entire Claude Code codebase, hidden inside. Within hours, the code was reconstructed, mirrored on GitHub, and spreading across the internet like wildfire. Here is how one missing line caused all of this. The .npmignore file controls what gets included in a release. Anthropic forgot to add one entry. So Bun, their build tool, embedded full source maps by default. The source map file ballooned to 60 megabytes, containing every TypeScript file in plain text. That package then shipped to thousands of developers worldwide, and every single one of them received the full source. Researchers cracked the code open and found 44 hidden feature flags. KAIROS was an always-on persistent agent, designed to remember everything you ever did. Buddy was a Tamagotchi-style digital companion living inside your terminal, always watching you. autoDream let the system heal its own memory while idle, consolidating knowledge without any prompt. 44 switches in total, some labelled dangerous, all hidden from users until now. Anthropic fired back with 8,100 DMCA takedown notices sent to GitHub in one wave. The mirror had already become the fastest growing repository in GitHub history. Stars climbed by the thousands every hour, and cleanroom rewrites appeared in Python and Rust within days. Then a real vulnerability surfaced in the leaked code, and CVE 2026-21852 was officially assigned. One missing line in a config file caused all of this. It was their second leak in just 5 days. A separate NPM supply chain attack hit on the exact same day. Release hygiene is not optional. It is the difference between a quiet Tuesday and a global incident. I am the AI Epileptic. See you next time.